Saw your question about 7.2, I guess it's number 7. You could do this by hand, or you can use technology like StatCrunch. Click on Stat, and then you click on, let's see, Stat, and then Z Stat, and one sample with summary. So then you put the information in here. The sample mean is given as 279. So you're taking a sample of 86 8th graders here, and they get a sample mean of 279. So sample size of 86, sample means 279. And then the population standard deviation is given as 36. You're performing a hypothesis test here. Looks like you got this part. The null hypothesis is the population means 270. An alternative or the claim is it's greater than 270. So you got to put 270 in here, and you can put the greater than. When you click compute, you're going to get the z-score, which you seem to have, 2.32. It also gives you the p-value once you click compute, which is 0.01. So using technology, it will give you both the z-score, the test statistic, and the p-value. Now, if the p-value is less than alpha, the p-value is 0.01 and alpha is 0.07, so it is less than. So if it's less than, we're always going to reject a null hypothesis. And then, that is evidence for the claim, the alternative. If the p-value is greater than the alpha, that's when we fail to reject a null hypothesis. But in this case, the p-value is less than alpha, so we reject a null hypothesis. Hope this helps.